Hi everyone! It's this time of the year again, Christmas is around the corner, and it's been an amazing year. We have all you amazing subscribers on YouTube, all the amazing members of the Academind community on Discord, and we want to celebrate this together with you. And how are we going to celebrate this? Well, we're going to do a little giveaway. We're giving away 2 of our courses, and we're going to do this 25 times, and you pick which courses you want. So 25 lucky winners will get 2 of our courses each. We'll of course gift them to you because it's a giveaway. So what are the rules then? How can you participate, and how do we draw these winners?
Yeah, to participate there are just 2 things required in the end. The first thing is you need to be part of our Academind community on Discord. So if you did that already, well, step 1 done. If you're just watching this on YouTube, you can find a link in the video description. Click onto this and then you will be part of this community. It's entirely for free. That's important to state here, I think. This was step 1. Step 2 then is you can find a giveaway channel in this community. And in this channel we want to know what is your private or professional goal for 2020. Can be 1 or multiple goals, but you got 48 hours to do so. And after these 48 hours we will pick our 25 winners, message them directly, and then the winners can tell us which 2 of our courses they want. I guess we got something on the rules, and that's it actually already.
Yeah. So rules-wise, you'll find the rules below the video and also as a pinned post in that giveaway channel in the Discord community. Basically, the rules, besides some official stuff which we just have to put in there, are that you will have to be part of that community and that we message you there directly. So not here on Udemy or YouTube or anywhere else, but in the community. And that's it, but check the rules for all the details and we will message you, so you don't have to reach out to us, you just have to post there, that's it. And that's the entire giveaway, and we hope you like it.
Yeah, and this means we wish you good luck and a lot of fun with the courses.
Yeah, and a great new year already, so have a great time and good luck to everyone. So, bye.
Bye, and don't miss our Christmas video next week.